Hi, welcome to Expand eziSALES app. Let's get started with this awesome app in just a few steps. First, register yourself on our website www.expanderp.com. On the website, click on Register Now on the top right of the screen. Quickly fill all the basic details and click on Submit. After submitting, an OTP will be delivered into your mailbox. Verify that here. After successful verification, you will get login credentials for ERP and app download link into your mailbox. Install the app by clicking the link in the mail. Now the app is downloaded, give it all necessary permission to enable all the features. For login, enter your registered mobile number or email. An OTP will be delivered into your mailbox. Enter the OTP here. Awesome! Now you're logged into the Expand eziSALES app.